Welcoming you all. Today, let's see how to prepare a homemade natural conditioner. So, this can be prepared very easily and acts as an excellent moisture to the hair and deeply conditions your hair. Now, let's get started. I have taken about 30 to 35 hibiscus leaves and about 7 hibiscus flowers. While selecting the leaves, make sure that the leaves are nice and fresh and they are free from insects. The hibiscus plants have small white colored bugs or insects like shown in the video, and also some kind of cottony texture below the leaves. So make sure that your leaves are nice and fresh, and if your leaves are nice and big, then it will be even more good, because the stickiness in the leaf acts as an excellent moisturizer. So make sure that the leaves are nice and big, and in the flower, remove the pistil and the stem portion in it. And while you're selecting the flowers, also make sure that the flowers are free from the white particles. So the stickiness in the hibiscus gives you a good conditioner. Now we are going to wash the leaves and the flower well. So wash it twice. So once you have washed it well, transfer it to another bowl. So I have washed it well. Now I'm adding 3 cups of water to it. So now crush them into smaller pieces. So hibiscus flowers and leaves, they have lots and lots of benefits. So hibiscus flowers are rich in flavonoids. Flavonoids improves the blood circulation to your hair follicles, and it also stimulates the hair growth. The hibiscus flowers and leaves are rich in amino acids, antioxidants, natural pigment, vitamins, and antimicrobial properties. So in case of amino acids, the amino acids triggers the keratin production in your hair follicles, thereby improves your hair growth. The antioxidants present in the flower and the leaf prevents premature graying of your hair. The natural pigment and the vitamins of the hibiscus flower gives you a natural hair color. The antimicrobial properties present in the flower and the leaves removes the dandruff, and also it prevents the reoccurrence of the dandruff. So we are going to rub this with both your palms for about at least for about 10 minutes until the stickiness is completely induced in the water. So the stickiness in the hibiscus flower and the leaf, they prevent the breakage of your hair, and it conditions your hair, and it prevents your hair from the frizziness and dryness, and hence it retains the moisture of the hair, giving you a smooth, silky, and shining hair. This hibiscus acts as an excellent moisture and conditioner to your hair. So, in case you're boiling rice, you can even use the boiling rice water for preparing this mixture instead of water. So, adding the rice boiled water gives you an extra conditioner to your hair. So, the conditioner which we are preparing, we are not going to leave it for a long time in your hair. You are going to massage it to your hair follicles, and you can wash it. So you can either mix it with shampoo and use it, or you can use the homemade herbal shampoo, that is a shiakai powder, and you can apply it to your hair. And this conditioner, it can't be stored for a long time. So you're going to massage it into your scalp and leave it for about 10 minutes and not more than that. So while you massage it to your scalp and hair follicles, it strengthens your hair follicles, and it also prevents the hair damage which is caused by the UV rays. So when you rub it in your palm for a long time, you'll feel the stickiness in your palm, and the stickiness will also be induced in the water for a long time. So now as you can see, the stickiness has been induced in the water, and the water color has also been changed. So you can even grind it in the mixer grinder, but most of the stickiness will stay in the mixie grinder. So I am using my palm to rub it. So now use a cotton cloth and strain the mixture. So squeeze it out. So while you're squeezing, you can feel the stickiness in your hand. So this stickiness is the most important thing for conditioning your hair. So this conditioner can be used both by ladies and gents. So you can use it weekly once. Try out this natural homemade conditioner cum shampoo and let us know your feedback. If you like our video, like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.